Anish Gawande, but this makes it worse. What the DCP is saying and what Sushi Ben is saying, that 1 hour prior to this rape, a police inspector had actually gone to the bus depot and did a round and inspected, done some degree of inspection, which means the Pune police is no deterrence at all. Criminals will see the police roaming around, but yet be bold and emboldened enough to drag a woman into a bus and rape her. This makes it worse.
But Shreya, this is something that we've been pointing out for a while now, right? That this is not an isolated incident. There has been a complete mockery of law and order in Maharashtra over the course of the last 10 years, barring for a small period. Now, I'll give you some examples, right? Crimes against women have doubled over the course of the last 10 years. In Pune itself, which was once the cultural capital of India, rapes have increased almost in a 200% manner. 2015, 280 rape cases. 2024, 505 rape cases. In the last few months alone, you've seen the Pune Posh case, you've seen the Babdev Ghat rape case, you've seen the murder of one NCP SP corporator. So the culture capital of the country has transformed into the crime capital of the country. Now, questions should certainly be asked of the police. Questions should certainly also be asked of politicians. Unfortunately, the reality is, as you pointed out, and as Supriya also pointed out today, there was a letter sent by the depot chief asking for more police protection. That letter was not paid attention to, and this was not the first letter. Now, let me give you the challenge with that in Pune, right? In Pune, in October last year, the Deputy Joint Commissioner of Police, Ranjan Kumar Sharma, said that Pune has a law and order problem because of shortages of police forces. He had asked for 1,700 more officers. He got 816 more officers. Now, this lady was waiting at the bus stop for a bus. That same MSRTC, which should have had a bus running more frequently, has had 14,000 buses go down to 11,000 buses. In Pune, those buses have gone from 1,100 to 700. The reality is that this is a structural problem. The swinging into action only happens after an incident. And the responses seem almost generated by ChatGPT. This is precisely what happened even after the Badlapur case. What action has happened since then? I respect Susie Bain a lot because she has been the Mahila Ayog chairman as well. But I will point out, chairperson as well. But I will point out what Rupali Chakankar said, who's the Mahila Ayog chairperson right now. She said, oh, this woman was talking to somebody for a long time. She said, oh, that there was some sort of information shared by the woman to this person. She said that women should learn self-defense. Is this the kind of political response you get to a case like this? We should be hanging our heads in shame at this point.
Advocate Susie Ben, would you want to respond to that? Is the response to a woman being raped telling women of a state, please learn martial arts, learn to defend yourself? Because that is an admission that the state cannot defend you. That we can make you ladli behens and give you 2,100 rupees or 2,500 rupees into your account, but we can't protect you. पैसे दे देंगे, protection नहीं दे सकते.
Madam, Rupali Chakankar should be asked. She said in her wisdom, and she should reply to what my friend, the young man said. She can reply to it. But as far as Maharashtra is concerned, I would like to tell you this. As far as the Badlapur case also is concerned, I was part of the inquiry. Today, the girl is happily studying in a school. They are rehabilitated, right? The family is happy, the child is happy. So, therefore, it is one incident which has happened. Yes, the police station was there. But madam, let me assure you that everyone, see, there is a political will. When can opposition come together is only when there is no action. We at the Mahayuti government, our Pramukh Neta, our DCM, Eknath Raoji Shinde has gone on record that no effort will be spared. So has the CM, so has the Ajit Dada. Madam, this is one unfortunate incident. But I would like to request my friend, opposition friends also, do you mean to say that when you were in government, there was no atrocities on women? Should I make you count? I mean, as a chairperson, I don't like to trivialize this. Ke bhai, aapke area mein bhi tha. I don't want to politicize the issue. Baat wo nahi hai. The whole issue is therefore the implementation of laws, strict policing, and awareness of the citizens. People come together, and all three, the government is acting on it. Shreya, I cannot say I cannot say, I have no reply to why this happened. It is a very, very sordid, and I'm extremely sorry that this happened.
So
But
you're
at the moment,
agreeing? No,
we are
so
investigating the
Susi Ben,
matter.
you're agreeing this has been a complete failure. ठीक है, आप Susi Ben,
Not
so
at
you
all.
are agreeing that this has been a
particular-
complete failure?
Shreya, this
No,
particular
it's not a failure.
incident. No. This particular incident is a very unfortunate incident. It definitely.
Susi
therefore,
Ben, this particular incident was waiting to happen. There is no reason that the depot manager will lie. In
No,
the
where
letter
am I-
he writes, as I have mentioned before,
No,
the
no.
depot has become an adda
Madam.
for lumpen elements who harass women, young and old. Please give us security. He was
The
ignored once,
responsibility-
he was ignored a second
No, no.
time.
No. The responsibility also lies with the depot manager and the ST department. Yes, we have in this particular incident have been short of what should have happened. I agree. But we will going forward ensure that such things do not happen. Shreya, give us an opportunity to hang that man.
Tehseen
And we